Hi, kitchen friends! Welcome to another kitchen adventure here in Jules Flavor Bliss. In today's episode, we'll be making an Italian famous cookie, no other than biscotti. And biscotti is originated in Tuscany, in northern part of Italy. A little background about biscotti or biscotto. Bis is the Latin word for twice, and coctum, another Latin word for bake, which become cotto or cooked. Tara, come on, let's start. We begin by sifting first the dry ingredients. Flour, then sugar, baking powder, and salt. And lastly, our matcha green tea powder for a twist of a new taste. Mix it well to incorporate all the ingredients. Then, let's set it aside. And now, we will slightly chop our cashew nuts. This crunchy cookie is often studded with chocolates, dried fruits, and nuts. And this time, we'll be using cashew nuts and matcha green tea for a twist. And for our wet ingredients, we will slightly beat 3 eggs. You will love making this crunchy cookie because it's so easy to make. After mixing well our dry ingredients, we'll make a well and then we pour our beaten eggs. And we also incorporate oil. And then we'll mix it up again. And at this point, we'll be adding our cashew nuts. And of course, with a little help of our clean hands, we'll be kneading this dough. Then we will dust our bench and continue to work with our dough. we'll form a ball out of this dough. We have to divide it in two, so we have to weigh it first to have an equal amount. We have to flatten the other half and then we will roll it tightly. Then we will form it into a log. After rolling them into a small sausages, we will place them in a baking tray and into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees C. So this is our first bake. And we'll try to cool them for 5 minutes. And we are getting set to slice them. And we'll be slicing them at least 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Then we will arrange it on the flat side for our second bake. And we'll be baking it for the second time for another 10 minutes at the same temperature. So here's our crunchy cookie, the biscotti. And you should hear the snap and the crunchiness of this biscotti. This biscotti were more about convenient food for travelers because of its firmness, making them durable for a long journey. Italians love eating biscotti by dipping them in their cup of coffee or to a liquor called Vin Santo. I hope you enjoyed our kitchen adventure. Till next time, stay safe. God bless.